G'day, it's Colin from Wurth, and we are super excited at Wurth Australia this week because for this week, the 24th of April through to the 28th of April, we're celebrating our chairman, Professor Reinhold Wurth's birthday. Now, we do this every year, and the Wurth Group release these fantastic individual limited edition signed products. So this year, let's have a look what we've got. So we've got this twin torch pack. It comes with this pen light, which is a metal pen light. It's not plastic, so it's really robust. It has a lower light setting, and then we click it again and we get a higher light setting. All right, fantastic little pen light. You can get down into all those little crevices and cracks. And of course, it's got the Professor Wurth's signature on it as well. Then we've also got this fantastic headlamp. Being a headlamp, of course, it fits on your head. It's really comfortable, but I'll take it off. It's got two light settings as well. It's got a lower light setting and then it's got the brighter light setting. But we can also adjust the beam, and I hope you can see this. We can narrow the beam down or we can widen the beam up. And of course, you can actually take it out of the head assembly and you can hook it onto your belt. It's got a clip here on the back, and you can use it as a handheld torch as well to get down and into where you want to see. So that's those two. Over here, we have another special. This is a little bit set with a little ratchet. So we've got our little ratcheting bit driver here. It's reversible with a little lever there. And of course, we've got all these extra bits here. So there's some Allen key bits and Torx drives and Phillips head and of course a flat blade. And they just tuck neatly inside there. All right, so this one for this week only is $39.95. And this one here, the two torches, is $99.95. So you can get these from your Wurth sales rep, from the Wurth app or eShop. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page, and happy birthday, Professor Wurth.